for this Thursday, the 29th of December, 2022, about 8:33 a.m. Central Time. Folks, one more day left this time frame, and then we're out of 2022. It was, for me, one of the better years of trade recommendations and the like. I'm a happy camper. And I have to tell you, one of the big events that happened was once I put together my Bollinger Band course, the enhanced Bollinger Band course, and started applying it, it just changed everything. And I'm one happy camper. There's no question about that. We'll talk about that in a moment. Now, if you're trying to make something out of nothing in the last couple of days of the year, it's going to be difficult. I'm already seeing you're getting reversals. You'll have an outside day up, then you get take out that day's low instantly, and then you reverse right back. This is what you call the craziness right now. A number of firms have reduced their Tesla targets, but they're still quite high. And the market's liking that, and that's partly behind what's going on today with Tesla getting about a 4% jump in early trade. The dollar down as we saw jobless claims come in on the weak side. I'll talk to you about that in a minute. A lot more cases of COVID coming in, and the world reacting to China reopening by many countries now saying that within days, if you want to come to America, for example, or parts of Europe, Chinese that are leaving the mainland and other areas of China, could be many, many areas that they're setting that up right now. What they're going to have to do is prove that in the past 48 hours that they basically haven't had COVID in order to get into the country. In the grain markets, you're still playing a lot here as to what's going on in South America in the grains. I don't know if you watched Denver. I just saw, 10 inches of snow already, and it's falling at the rate of 2 inches an hour, and that's going to go through the U.S., but northern part of it. So is that going to mean Buffalo and areas like that? I don't know. Bonds and notes, as we look at the market, getting a sideways action is the good word here. Bitcoin, not much of a bounce. In fact, you haven't heard anything on all these. The air has come out of that sector of the market completely. Now, we had just talked about jobless claims, and they're going in the right direction this week for a change. Up 9,000 at 225. I'm sure the Fed members are toasting themselves and happy about that. Continuing claims jumping 41,000. So people aren't just getting left go and finding jobs right away. It's taking a bit longer. The Fed wants to see that. USDA weekly export grain sales, normally out today, they're going to come out instead at 7:30 on Friday. Energy. We're going to get the big draw. That's what we're looking to see, at least, in the natural gas. Did that terrible cold weather cause a monster draw? They're looking for 200 billion cubic feet. Anything shy of that will be very bearish, the market. The EIA data, that'll come out at 9:30 this morning instead of when it normally does. And again, that's because we were closed on Monday. And remember that we're going to be closed again this coming Monday. So you've got to go with the roll as to how everything's going to work. You can see that you're still continuing up here. The gold market responding very favorably to a weaker dollar. In fact, you're seeing that in a number of areas. But again, the market, you're getting certain warnings here that the Chinese COVID cases, if they get real bad, that could affect copper. Factories may not reopen there for the demand you think, and energy may not get the same bid that you might have thought that it would. So those are the things that we have to be looking at and we have to be on top of. Now, as you know, one of the things that I love is the Bollinger Bands, and my enhanced course really took traders this year a whole new direction. I tie together not only the traditional band, but I move it in with the slow stochastic study with my values in the slow stochastic. They're a little different than yours. I have the modification, and all my subscribers are welcome to get that to me. Subscribers being paid subscribers for my morning videos. We discuss with it long-term, short-term, how it works. There's 13 videos that teaches you the course. It's a 14-day trial to my research included, the charting software. These two values alone cost about the same as the course, and I throw them right in so that you can work with it that way. But if you're going to trade and you don't get some of these trading tools, shame on you. They're there. They're available to you. You take a look at it and you say to yourself, oh, that could be something I'm missing. Maybe you'll say, nah, I knew that. I'm willing to bet you didn't know it. How's that? I'm willing to bet on that because I teach it different, and it is different than the way you probably are using it. It's not the traditional manner. You can go to our website. Under the word education, it's there. You can follow me up here at any point and just click on the, when you put your cursor up there, you'll see an icon. Just give it a click and away you go. I will be here with you tomorrow. I will be doing our market wrap-ups today. But folks, trade small. Right now, don't look for the big moves. Santa Claus, even if he comes, it's going to be muted from the looks of it. Each rally that we seem to get, traders are using to unload things they don't want. That seems to be what's going on. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great morning, and I will catch you all later this afternoon. Trade well.